bet you like on a picture. I've been busy, doing stuff, and today we're gonna be unboxing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mayhem Superfly Fly Guy. Let's take a look at the box. So we have the Nickelodeon, and here's Superfly with all the accessories. Let's read the back. We already read that, so let's read Superfly's bio. Zoom in. A highly intelligent humanoid fly, Superfly has lived in hiding his entire life, slowing amazing power in the criminal underworld. He's clever, crematastic, and confident, and behind those eyes lies a stinger plan that is unlike anything the turtles have faced before. The meter is 5. So, let's open it and take a look. Here is the figure. Each playmat to get the wings on. So let's take a look at the movements. Arms can move. Just get the twist. The head rotates a little bit. The legs move. And I'll hurry up and put on the weapon real fast. Okay, now I got a gun on. This is it for the review. Pretty good. 10 out of 10. 0 to peace. Goodbye, everyone. Have a great night.